Hello, like-minded people. Today, let's draw inspiration from the wisdom of wolves and explore the transformative power of kindness. Join us on this motivational journey. In the heart of the wild, wolves roam with unity and kindness, teaching us lessons that resonate far beyond the forest. The wolf is a symbol of strength, but within its pack, there is also a blessing of kindness. Wolves thrive in packs with unity and cooperation. Kindness unites the herd and ensures each member is cared for, valued, and supported. Let us embody the spirit of unity and recognize the strength of our connections. Wolves show extraordinary kindness by protecting endangered members of their pack. It reminds us that true strength lies in protecting those who need it most. Let's extend kindness to the vulnerable and promote a world where everyone feels safe. Wolves use sophisticated language to communicate, expressing compassion, empathy, and understanding. Kindness and communication fosters deeper connections within the herd. Choose words that build bridges and understand that kindness is a powerful force in communication. Wolves express gratitude within their pack and acknowledge each other's contributions. Kindness that acknowledges and appreciates efforts strengthens community bonds. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude and appreciate the unique strengths each person brings to our journey. A study on the kindness of wolves. May the spirit of the wolf inspire us to be kind, considerate, and cooperative. Share your thoughts in the comments below, like, subscribe, and bring wolf wisdom into our daily lives. Until next time, embrace the power of kindness. Wolfkinness, inspired Binachor, kindred spirits.